welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into how to create groups into Bitrix24 Messenger, and by the end, you will have all the insights you need. So grab a seat and hit the like button, and let's get started. So first of all, we have to log in our Bitrix24 account, and you have to click on the Messenger option. Here, if you want to create any groups, then you will have the options for the group chats, channel, and collabs. So simply, we will click on the group chat, click on the continue, and then you can add the multiple employees for this chat. Now I'm adding three employees, and first you have to give them the group chat name. So I'm giving the name that is test chat, and I have added three employees over there. If you want to do any chat setting, just like if you want to that private and public, then you can choose like that. If you want to add description for which purpose this group chat has been created, then you can add the description also. If you want to add access permission, then you can add the access permission, so that your group members will be at by their permissions. So you can add the access permission, and you can create the chat setting, and then you have to create chat. So just like that, your test chat has been created. So automatically you can provide any information from this. If you want to add any file or any document, then you can add over there. You can type the message, and also you can do the video call and voice call from here itself. So this is very useful feature in Bitrix24 for the collaboration within the system. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comment below, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.